What's up, guys? Good morning and good vibes Thursday. Alright, for breakfast, we got a raisin bran, cereal. Of course, we gotta add the milk. Milk, man. Okay. And then, some banana. That's it, guys. Kumusta na kayo? Good vibes Thursday. Be safe, guys, okay? Very good. That's my favorite cereal. Raisin bran. And then, got a banana. Guys, ibusin ko lang to. Always remember, be yourself.